I have like the one that corrects you, but it doesn't like does it automatically. That's the thing. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put some more, okay? Let's put it like that. Got it? I also want to show you this. Oh. Oh. Right. I also want to do something with the bottom. Spread it nicely, okay? Whoa. And look at these designs I did with the numbers, and then I wrote for everything. How do you do that? One shake? Give me the pig, I'll scam you if you already scammed her enough times.
Yeah, you already scammed me.
You scammed her $500 and it don't. Well, she deserved that for scamming me.
You got scammed twice.
I actually got scammed. Can I use that? Yeah, I need that.
I actually got scammed twice and I didn't even care.
I got scammed.
I got scammed twice in only less than five minutes and I didn't even care.
Go to scam parties to tell people that it's a scam.
No, like I went to people. I went to a party and it was really. Once I went to a party, it was really a scam, and I just came back to Jessica and it got me
Like this girl,
want to hang out at my school.
like this girl, she threw a party and she's like, I'm selling pets. Pay me $500 for my unicorn. There wasn't even a cash register there.
Bruh. You can't trade money.
You could trade pets, but not money.
Yeah. One time, so yesterday, someone. The day before yesterday, someone gave one person in my class money. It's for
People do that all the time.
Hey,
I don't know why.
Yeah, they do
but-
that. They feel like they're an adult here.
Yeah.
They're like.
Once I actually got scammed twice and I didn't even care because I had like $300 left.
I need $200. Yeah. I have 800.
I have
200 more bucks.
I only have $87.
Naglisod siya gabli. So naglisod siya gabli guys, kaya wala gi-welding man ni siya. Plastic na pagka-welding. Kinahanglan siya gunting. Oh no! Gikauras na lang pero gihapon mga gising plastic. Isa na siya.
It says I love mountains.
Wow.
Where's the mountain? I need
There's a fork here.
Mama, I want to hatch it.
What?
Mama, let me.
Oh, here you go. Wait, iwas sa abli. Nanawa na ito mga ka-Berks. Heart. Ooh, wow! Oh, na siya. Tapi nga diha. Kaya nanay pisok magawa ta. Wow! Pisok nga balot. Wag yun mapinoy. Nahimong balot. Napa siya hair clip.
Is this a hair clip?
Yep.
But like, how do they get it on?
Tanawa diha. Nay manual diha. Tanawa.
Disika, kimpit man na niya.
Kimpit na sa buhok.
Buhok.
Para nang imong buhok ko, kimpit sa imong buhok.
But then how did they get it on?
Tanawa diha, basig na drawing diha.
Get it on the top.
Ano na patanong
Mga ba?
atin.
Here's Ate Ninya. Say hi, Ate Ninya.
Hi there.
Keep on liking us, guys. You're watching Just Vlog Once.
Woo! Woo!
What is this?
Woo!
Wait, I got another one.
Kaya!
What is that? Oh! Ang Pinoy, guys! Ang Pinoy! Ang balot Pinoy!
Ah, that's so cute.
What is this? What is this?
It's so cute eh. There's so much stuff.
I know, there's like 10 surprises.
What? No. Chicken sa egg.
I got a hair clip.
Again?
Whoa!
Wait, where's the hair clip? Ay, what's that clip? Wow!
Nice hair clip.
Oh, you got stickers too?
Wow.
And what's this?
What is that? A slime kay? Hindi. Gisi lang kay Gisi.
Ariana. Give it. What is this?
Bubble gum?
Pop potty.
What's a bubble gum?
It's a pop potty.
What did you do, Jessica? Imo siyang gikuan, operahan?
Let me see.
Ah, diha din na di. Wow.
Oh, dara. Oh, wait. You just... Kay sa buhok niya?
Can you put it on?
Oh, sa buhok niya.
How is it? How did it turn on?
Yun saan niya pagbutang?
Putulong din eh.
I don't know, or was it
I don't think...
It is, you can put
One
it
mo na
here.
siya, oh.
Yeah, you can put it here.
Makuha na siya, oh. Magic, oh.
Yeah, I know, Papa. Ay, don't, just no.
Ikaw, Jessica, ganyan. Yan, mananggi. Yun saan to niya pagbutang.
It's just like that. You just have to put it on like that.
Oh. Masa na kay?
What's that kay?
Wow! Nagyan saan na niyo? Mananggi kumot-kumot.
Pop, it's a poop potty.
Kumot. Saan? Dakong kumot. Ay, nagagpati.
A potty. Oh, this
Ang
probably
buhok?
for the
A poop potty.
So
Oh.
basically,
Guys, explain ni Ate Ana. Say hi, Ate Ana.
Hi.
Yeah, just vlog once. My personal video collection.
This is so cool. I'm gonna use that for this.
Ooh! I love their gift. Like, they actually thought about
Hey,
it.
don't open that. I'm supposed to.
Wow! No, gi-check lang ni Ate niya.
Okay, kiddo. I'm putting it back.
Gamit na niya kuwan, sudlag kuwan. Naya kay.
Like, chill. Oh my gosh.
Sino yun eh?
Hello,
Maputol na siya.
Di na siya bunlutong, kanarang
Maputol na tumoy.
Tamang lang ang dako, kaping, di na tuloy siya.
Kana, oh, kana,
Oh,
sige.
be strong. You can do
Oh, kana.
it.
Kaya na, di ka magpatakag lagnot.
don't get too excited.
Lip balm.
Lip balm. So, din aka, mangayog lip balm. Din aka,
I'll give it to you.
purhisyog pangayog lip balm.
It says unicorn.
Kaya di man mo magamit sa kung Vaseline. Dako kay tos na.
2 years ago,
No,
Vaseline.
almost 6 years.
Oh my God, bro.
Effective man lagi kayo. Effective kayo
Let me
akong
see
kuhan
that
guys.
one.
Vaseline akong gigamit ng winter. Pero di sila ganahan kung magamit. Kiningon sila expired na. So, just keep on watching Just Vlog Once. My personal video collection. Mga events na more on adventure, travel, and mga samhinanggaw stuff nga educational gamay. So, samtang kuray-kuray sila dire.
Let's put it back. Let's put it
Si Ate Ana, naglibog siya kung saan pagbutang, na-challenge siya, ganihara siya ni. Oh?
It's not
So, pag-figure out,
No, I
I can
know.
wear Papa. I can wear Papa. I can wear my backpack and put some drink in here.
oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Your guests are all
Wait, you
nice,
put it
kay.
together because makuha niyo siya.
I can wear
They're all nice. Ay, sa panghipusan nila, mama.
I can wear my backpack and
It
drink my
actually
drink.
smells good.
Oh, yeah? And what is that?
It's
It's a chewing gum? Ato ko nung kanon.
No,
Pero
it's
guys, it's a chewing gum, guys. Akong tilawan ni siya, guys.
Oh my God.
Just for adventure.
Not a chewing gum.
Oh, it's not chewing gum dahil.
Ano yan?
Ew! Nipilit,
Roblox
oh.
nga ba?
Ew.
Roblox. Give me the Roblox.
This is my Victoria taught me how to.
Kining lang gum, ah.
My Victoria taught me how to use that.
You have to kuha niya. You have to scratch at the back.
Sweetom ko niya mga classmate, guys. Yung mga naghatag niya, mga gihatag po niya, mo po ilang gikahiligan niya duwa. So, mo gihatag po niya.
I'm so excited because
Dugay na niya yung gusto. Ayan,
Yeah,
na
mo dyan na yung
Roblox.
ganahan ay.
Oh. Oh, mo na sa online niya katong iyang kuhan. Niya gusto niya paliton.
Yung adik kay niya ng
Oh, mao din na di. Ay, mo na ito.
no, I have to scratch here.
Later! You don't have your tablet!
Inigpalit.
Ay, so excited. Chill.
Ipakita sa camera. Ipakita, ipakita. Yeah. Okay.
These are
Oh.
Roblox
Okay. Tama. Okay, Roblox gift cards daw guys. Kaya na niyang gipangandoy na. Okay. Mao ko na na makadugang sa iyang points.
Yeah, that is.
Your addicted game.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Wait, what would I see?
Madrama
What is that? Another discover of Ate Ana. Wow, pizza! Wow!
Yeah.
Pizza sa iyang tiyan. Nga nipilit.
Cute.
That's cool.
I got the llama.
Wow.
I got the llama and
Oh, this is a different type of Lego.
Oh, yeah? That's not the
Yeah.
common one?
No, it's
Oh,
not.
it's a different
It's
type of
different
Lego.
one.
Kano day,
Yeah.
abi na mo, ugmaw na ni katuyang mga Lego before lahi man day kano day ning one style tapos Lego. Oh, so it's way advanced siguro.
with some slime that has some glitter.
Slime yun ay glitter. Okay.
When I get my tablet, I'm gonna use these too.
I wanna see
Huh?
this.
When I get my tablet, I'm gonna use these 2 Robux gift cards.
Okay.
And I'm so excited to use it.
Okay.
My
So,
Robux gift card.
okay.
Because I've always wanted
okay.
I'm tired. Can I see?
stickers.
Hey, show me the sticker. Where the sticker?
These hot.
Wow! Somewhere else?
I love.
No more?
Wait, what's his name? Wait, what's her name? What's his name? What's his name? His name is Bella. Oh, Bella's so cute. Look at that little tooth. And Bella can wear this.
Okay. So, say bye na, guys.
Wow, look at her. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching me open my friends' presents that I got for my friends.
Uh-huh.
But these was exactly what I've always wanted. From my most bestest friends ever. This one was from Ariana. This was from Augustina, Victoria. This one was from Ariana. And I'm so thankful that I got these because
Okay.
I'm so
Uh-huh.
happy that I got these cute little pussy named Bella. And it has an egg inside too, see? And it has a little figure in it. Little cute. It goes over here.
Okay.
Bella is gonna go back inside.
Okay. So, say goodbye na.
Goodbye, guys. Thanks
Oh,
for
Ingna.
watching my video.
Oh, so what channel?
Just
Are you now?
Vlogs 1.
Wow, you nailed it. Personal video collection. One more thing?
She keeps on begging me to get because she has because she wants to get some anime.
I want this.
Because you want this because you want to get some anime stuff.
I want this instead. You can have that. I can have this.
Okay.
Oh, Ninya, that's hers.
Where is it,
Stop being
Ninya?
a kid. It's actually so nice. So
Sunglass.
Sunglass.
Sud, ani, asa ni mo gibutan? Ay, lagi ba tayo butan? Hindi may dito din niyo.
So I have some gift cards. Where are they?
The Lego
Where did you put them?
Nadaling ligo kayo.
and the garbage.
Hey, y'all.
And the greeting cards.
Nadaling ligo.
Og ang, unsa ni siya ingana ni? Egg surprise?
My gift card.
Egg surprise. And the pajamas. That they mostly wear during the pajama days. During the Halloween. And the backpack.
And
Jake,
I'm gonna use
fruit
this.
blocks and... Oh yeah? Wow. You gonna
No.
go shopping now? Shopping ka karon?
Shopping na ta. Please leave it.
Magapilay mong tudlo.
No,
Yeah, kamo mo gunting.
I did.
Garbage na dito.
Got
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Wait, I want to take this. Okay.
Okay, say bye na.
Bye, guys.
So you're now watching on
That's vlog 1.
personal video collection. See you next time.